Another beautiful morning in the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka. Completed my 90 minutes walk. Ladies and gentlemen, as a result of the pandemic rising up with various kinds of new variants and mutations, the global panic takes place. There have been never a time the scientists, particularly virologists, has made some of the people redundant in the last 2 years. The artists, the economists, the politicians, except the technocrats and technologists who have made the hay while the sun shines. Never in the history the virologists and the scientists began to play a major role and make their opinions, and those opinions begin to count in a large and in a big way. Sometimes I wonder why rats are being used for medical experiments. It is said genetically, biologically, their characteristics are similar to humans. When I think of that, I think of the story of the rat, utterly frightened about a ferocious cat and never able to eat. No sooner he comes out, the cat waits to catch him. So he was inside his merry hole waiting for an opportunity to get out to eat something until the cat vanishes. But cat never vanishes. And an angel saw this condition of the rat and told him, "Look, I've seen your situation, I will make you a lion." And lo and behold, he was made a lion. And then comes the rat and see the lion. And he was about to turn, but this lion began to really be frightened and go inside that small hole of fear of the cat. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes even if you are a lion, if you have a rat mentality, you will always want to go back to your hole and never come out to fight the battles. In a time like this, what is needed is the reality of common sense. Understand the simple things in life and enhance the energies that is within you. You can't fight the big viruses and sicknesses in a way that against the systems and the conditions. But there are inner energies and the strength that we all have within us, and that mental stage and mental status to be strong in our mind, not to be carried away with hearsay and frightened by various things that is being compounded. Still, the scientists are trying to understand the status of this new variant, but the media has compounded it and brought fear across, because there are entities that thrive and make money on making people frightened and fear. Fear is a component that people can sell their dubious products and services at a premium price. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also living in a time where the scientists have a big role. Simple people like you and me need to really take advantage of the common sense and listen to your inner mind and the body, soul and the spirit to overcome the challenges that you face in a crisis like this.